Imagine waking up to a notification. $250 has been deposited into your account. Now imagine getting that same notification every single month, regardless of what you're doing, whether you're working or you're sleeping or you're spending time with your family. That is the power of monthly dividend ETFs. And today I'm revealing 5 wonderful options specifically for Nigerians, whether you are living at home or you are abroad. Let me tell you about Mr. Charles, a Nigerian software developer who moved to London 3 years ago. Despite earning in pounds, he watched helplessly as economic issues back home in Nigeria eroded his family's savings. But that changed when he discovered dividend investing. Today, Charles receives over $600 monthly from his dividend portfolio, money that supports his parents back home in Lagos and is building his own financial independence. Best of all, he spends less than an hour monthly managing these investments. While your friends are busy chasing the latest Ponzi scheme, I will show you how to build wealth that pays you consistently in a stable currency. These aren't just any dividend ETFs. They have been carefully selected to combine monthly payouts with global diversification. Before I dive into these ETFs, let me quickly show you why dividend ETFs should be part of your investment portfolio, especially in today's market, and why they are particularly valuable for those of us looking to grow our wealth internationally. The truth is that when it comes to individual stock picking, it takes a lot of time, a lot of research, and frankly, a bit of luck. Even financial experts with decades of experience still struggle to consistently beat the market. When you look at some of our global icons like Warren Buffett, what is their advice to everyday investors? They consistently advise us going for broad market funds instead of trying to pick individual winners. Why? Because diversification reduces your risks while still capturing market growth. For Nigerians especially, whether you're back home dealing with the naira's volatility or you are abroad earning in pounds and dollars, dividend ETFs offer something invaluable, which is predictable income flow in stable currencies which you can choose to reinvest. Before we go on, I would love to bring something very serious to your attention. Some scammers are using my name and my picture to create fake social media handles that look like mine. They are then sending you messages claiming to be me and promising to help you with some sort of business or investment. Please note that I would never send you such a message. If you get any message from me claiming to show you how to do any business or investment, know that I am not the one. That is a scammer. Block and report that account immediately. Let us stay safe and vigilant. If you would love to work with me on a one-on-one basis so that I can guide you on your money growth and investment journey, then feel free to take advantage of the few slots I open up every month for one-on-one coaching. My clients always have wonderful things to say about my working with them. Feel free to take advantage by clicking the link that I'm going to be putting in the description of this video and also in the comment section. Please, if anyone sends you any message concerning this one-on-one coaching or concerning any business or investment or money-related talk, know that that person is a scammer. Please, let us stay safe. I am looking forward to working with you. Thank you. Now, why is this the best time to invest? With global markets experiencing volatility, many quality assets are now trading below their true value. So, smart investors who enter now will be positioned for excellent returns when the markets recover. For dividend investors specifically, buying during dips like this essentially means locking in higher yield percentages. So you're getting paid more while you're waiting for price appreciation. Now let us go on to explore these 5 dividend ETFs that can make a big change in your financial future. The first one is my personal favorite, the Global X Super Dividend ETF, ticker symbol SDIV. Why is it recommended? It gives exceptional income focus with 100 of the highest dividend yielding global equity securities. Its strong international diversification reduces country-specific risk. It is well balanced across sectors like real estate at 25.3%, financial sector at 21.7%, energy sector at 12.5%, and utilities at 10.2%. Looking at its geographical spread, it provides exposure to markets that many Nigerian investors might otherwise struggle to access. With holdings across the United States, emerging markets, and developed economies internationally, it is ideal for investors seeking exposure to multiple economies beyond just the US. Its current dividend yield is 11.5% with expense ratio at 0.58%. It is best for aggressive income seekers willing to accept higher risk. Next on our list is the JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF, ticker symbol JEPI. Why is it recommended? Its innovative approach that combines equity investment with an options strategy overlay. The fund generates additional income by selling call options. It is designed to deliver consistent monthly income with lower volatility than the S&P 500. It is strong during market downtimes due to its extra options income strategy. It is also well diversified across different sectors, with technology at 17.2%, healthcare at 15.4%, financial sector at 12.8%, and consumer staples at 12.5%. Its current dividend yield is 7.9% with expense ratio at 0.35%. This is a newer fund but has quickly become popular for its consistent monthly dividend distribution. It is best for conservative investors who want reliable income with lower risk. If you're finding value understanding these international investment opportunities, then please give this video a like and also subscribe if you haven't done so. When you subscribe, make sure to turn on your bell notifications so that you get notified anytime I post an income-making video like this one. Next on our list is the Vanguard International High Dividend Yield ETF, ticker symbol VYMI. Why is it recommended? It focuses on non-US companies because it's not every time US, right? So it provides true international diversification. Geographically, you will get exposure to Japan, to the United Kingdom, to Switzerland, to Australia, and even emerging markets that may have economic cycles different from the US. It has a strong sector diversity with financial sector at 3.4%, healthcare sector at 11.8%, energy at 11.3%, and industrial sector at 10.7%. It includes global giants like Toyota, HSBC that Nigerian investors would recognize. Its current dividend yield is at 4.5% with expense ratio at just 0.17% because of Vanguard's reputation for efficient fund management that keeps its costs low. Next on our list is the Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend Low Volatility ETF, ticker symbol SPHD. Why is it recommended? It has a perfect balance of high dividend income with reduced volatility. This is crucial during economic uncertainty. It has heavy allocation in different sectors like utilities at 19.8%, real estate at 16.5%, and consumer staples at 15.7%. Its holdings include stable businesses with strong cash flows like Verizon and IBM. This is particularly valuable for Nigerians concerned about market turbulence while building wealth abroad. Its current dividend yield is at 4.2% with an expense ratio of 0.3%. This ETF gives us less dramatic price swings, especially during market corrections. Next on our list is the Realty Income Corporation stock with ticker symbol 0. Why is it recommended? It is known as the monthly dividend company with 25 plus years of consistent monthly payments. Yes, this particular one is not an ETF, but I had to include it here because we cannot talk about monthly dividend without talking about the monthly dividend company stock. It is focused on commercial real estate with long-term leases to investment-grade tenants. It provides hard asset exposure that can serve as an inflation hedge. Its current dividend yield is at 5.6% and its expense ratio is 0 because it is a REIT, so so it is not an ETF, even though it trades like one. It has increased its dividend consistently, thereby providing growing income. It is best for investors who want real estate exposure with dependable income. We began this journey with Charles' story, a Nigerian professional who is changing his financial future through dividend investing. But this isn't just Charles' opportunity, it is yours too. Imagine 6 years or 1 year from now, while others are worrying about the naira devaluation or with the latest fall of a Ponzi scheme, you are chilling and enjoying monthly dividends because you decided to take action today. That is not just financial freedom, it is peace of mind. Whether you choose to start with any of these dividend ETFs I mentioned or you have those you prefer, investing in dividend ETFs is a way to consistently build wealth even in your sleep. Take action today. Start with just one ETF and be consistent with it. Before you know it, you would have built a very good monthly consistent income. 5 years from now, you can look back and be happy you took this decision. Important disclaimer: everything discussed in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial or investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future results. All investments carry risk, including the potential loss of principal. The ETFs mentioned may not be suitable for all investors. Please conduct your own research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decision. I really hope that you learned something new from this video. Please, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. I personally will be answering them. And if you have any topic you would love me to create a video on, please drop that in the comment section and I will get to work on it. Until then, imagine that notification, $250 has been deposited into your account. Imagine that and take action to make that a reality today. Feel free to watch the next video showing on your screen right now. Until I see you in my next video, keep dreaming big and keep working hard towards your dreams. I'm rooting for you. Bye for now.